Hello, so today I will be showing you how to use the point of sale app and how it will affect the inventory. So first we will go to the menu, point of sales, and we're going to go to products and product variants to see our inventory of each product and how much we have on hand. So right now we see that we have pedal bins, 26 on hand, cabinet with doors, and then we have a conference chair, 26 of them. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard. We're going to resume for the shop. And here we see all the items that we have. But right now we are going to add a large cabinet, 2 of them. We're going to add 1 desk pad, 1 storage bin, 1 large desk, and then the customer is going to be Deco Addict of Franklin. We're going to set the customer and we're going to go to payment. So he owes $2,519.98. He's going to pay with cash. We're going to say he's paying the full amount here. And then we're going to validate it. And here we see our receipt that he paid in full. So now our next order. Let's say they want to order whiteboard pens, another desk pad, and a pedal bin. And our customer this time is going to be Nicole Ford from Jonesboro, United States. I'm going to set the customer, go to payments, and then cash again. This time they're only going to pay $25 of it, and now owing $25.18. We're going to validate it or add another cash of remaining $25.18, and now we will validate it. Here's a receipt of the 2 cash payments we made, the next order, and now we are going to close. We will go back to our product variants to check our inventories and see how the large cabinet, the storage bin, the pedal bin, the desk pad is 0 now. And I'll go to orders again. And here we see the 2 orders that those 2 people did. Let's try Deco Addict first. So he paid it, and now we are going to post it. Now we will go to inventory, POS orders, and here we see Deco Addicts and Isor Interior Nicole Ford's shop number. So first we're going to go on Deco Addict, and here we see all his items. Create. Sorry, cancel this. Cancel. And now we're going to click on Nicole